Supreme Court's gutting of a key part of the 1965 Voting Rights Act. On Wednesday, in a 6-3 decision, the court struck down Louisiana's voting map that was designed to create a second majority black district in the state, where African Americans have long faced racial segregation and barriers to voting. The 6 conservative justices on the court ruled Louisiana's map, quote, relied too heavily on race and unfairly favored black voters over white voters. In her dissent, Justice Elena Kagan described the ruling as the, quote, latest chapter in the majority's now completed demolition of the Voting Rights Act. Kagan warned that the ruling will give states the power to draw congressional maps to disenfranchise voters of color. She wrote, quote, minority voters can now be cracked out of the electoral process.
Republican politicians rapidly seized on Wednesday's ruling. The Washington Post reports Louisiana Governor Jeff Landry told Republican House candidates he plans to suspend the May 16th primary elections so state lawmakers can pass a new congressional map first. Meanwhile, in a special session on Wednesday, Florida lawmakers approved a new congressional map designed to give Republicans 4 additional U.S. House seats in the midterm elections in November. On Wednesday, members of the Congressional Black Caucus gathered to condemn the Supreme Court ruling. This is Alabama Congressmember Terry Sewell.
Today, the far-right Supreme Court has dealt a devastating blow to our democracy and to the Voting Rights Act of 1965. It will pave the way for the greatest reduction in representation for black and minority voters since the years following Reconstruction.